We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make.
There's just one other thing I want to quickly touch on before we get the show underway. We're actually in the company of the only two people ever in history to ever cut themselves on a scroll saw. So I just want to bring that to everyone's attention. So round of applause for you two, Eloy and Cole.
I passed on the trophy because I was cut on the scroll saw. True. But Carl over there, boy, what a way to start the darn show. Well, it is the Mad Maker show. Carl Jacobson, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you. Wear the badge with pride, Eloy. Nothing wrong with it. You were pushing your boundaries. That's why you cut yourself, just like me.
Well, dude, yeah, I mean, well, here's the thing. In my case, you know, and you could tell us, and by the way, we're going to focus on the lathe, but I'm glad that JP is stirring the pot, right, man?
I don't have one. They're just dangerous tools. I haven't cut myself on the lathe in a long time. I was cutting up paint chips, making keychains, and that's how I did it. So I just unplugged it, put it up on the shelf. That's the best thing to do for safety. Get that tool out of the way.
You should make a video on that and post it on your channel.
Oh, yeah.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Harju, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It So, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TN, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.